Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you whether you can add fonts to Adobe Acrobat and how to use new fonts in your document. Let's begin. First, open your document in Adobe Acrobat and click on Edit PDF from the Tools panel on the side of the screen. After that, select the text you want to change. When you select the text, you will see the Font Family section appear in the Editing panel. Now, if the font you want to use is not available in the list, it means the font is not installed on your computer yet. To use that font in Adobe Acrobat, you first need to install it on your system. To do this, open any web browser and search for Dafont or any other font website. Press Enter and open the first result, which will take you to the Dafont website. Once the website loads, you will see a search box where you can look for different fonts. Type the name of the font you want and press Enter. When the font appears in the results, click on the Download button next to it. This will download the font as a zip file on your computer. Next, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract Here or Extract All. After extracting the file, you will see the actual font file, usually in .ttf or .otf format. Now double-click on the font file and click Install. This will install the font on your computer so that other applications, including Adobe Acrobat, can use it. After installing the font, close Adobe Acrobat and open it again. Now reopen your document, go back to Edit PDF, and select the text you want to modify. When you check the Font Family section this time, you should see the newly installed font in the list. Simply select the font, and it will be applied to your selected text. And that's how you can use new fonts in Adobe Acrobat. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.